Academy of Indian Music and Arts, widely acclaimed as TVG's IMA, is a registered charitable trust. IMA is one of the premier cultural institutions in South India, and we have been working on preserving, promoting and propagating classical arts and Indian culture for the past 4 decades with thematic festivals, seminars, workshops, etc. all over India with unparalleled success. IMA believes in creating the next generation of performers and in fact can boast of an inexhaustible list of stars that they have already created in the industry, which stands testimony to this. What can I say? TVG sir, Guru, not just to 1 or 10 or 100 or 1000, maybe it could even be millions. It's just that we can't count them and we may not have a track of all of them. They may have directly or indirectly be benefited through all his performances, and they would have accepted him as Guru. And his earnest desire to spot talent, to promote them, to groom them, it's always a tireless effort that he puts in, immaterial of his age. I think he started doing this as early as maybe as soon as he touched his even double-digit age, but he's still doing it at this age. And it's very, very rare to find a person as unique and as rare as him. And irrespective of any social or economic background of a person, he takes utmost care and he individually grooms them and takes pride in, personally interacting with them and making them feel as if he is not just a guru, he is appa for so many. He being so unique and special to so many of us. In fact, IMA was founded for this sole reason. If I were to detail everything that TVG sir does for every one of us, it would run into volumes of books. So to cut it short, the simplest way I can communicate his greatness is by saying his uniqueness is he not only spots talents, but he grooms them as if they are his own kith and kin. He gives them his all, I can say, his all, literally, his versatility, his uniqueness, everything he wants to pass on to so many of them to create so many new generations. Age no bar, caste no bar, creed no bar, social status no bar, economic status no bar. Nothing has a bar. All he looks for is a potential talent. He immediately wants to take them under his tutelage, groom them and make them a star. He does not even think twice before actually doing this. He does it as if that's his routine, and it's hard to believe that someone can be as generous as this. Not only in teaching music, he in fact teaches them so many things that will come in handy and useful in any life situation for them. This Nav Navratri was conceptualized by Devi, and this is a platform to share melodious music. Probably what is different from Carnatic or film music, this initiative is to be in the league of devotional music and unearth the hidden stars in this idiom. This festival, this competition is being conducted online, which means participants from all over the world can be a part of it. And we are also extremely happy to have a wonderful set of musicians, musical wizards if I may call them, as a judging panel traveling with us all through this journey. Talking about the beautiful journey of the judges, let me introduce them to you. Firstly, Ashwati Thirunal Ramavarma, better known as Prince Ramavarma, needs no introduction, but he is an Indian classical musician and a member of the erstwhile royal family of Travancore, and He is a Carnatic exponent and he is also an exponent in Veena. He is also a very renowned music teacher, musicologist, writer and orator. But he is more popular and he is so well known and appreciated for another great effort of his. He took the initiative of taking classical music in its purest form even to reach the masses. He made it possible in his concerts by explaining the meaning of the song, the background of the song, and made them understand and enjoy his renditions and the lyric and the song as a whole. So, not only has he reached Carnatic music in its purest form, but his clarity of lyric is so good, be whatever the language. Welcome and thank you so much, sir, for being a part of us in this journey. Our second judge also needs no introduction. He is the great grandson of our all-time favorite Bharatiyar, Rajkumar Bharati. He has been a student of TVG, sir, for the past 30 years. If you ask me to name a place where he hasn't performed within India or within the globe, maybe it's difficult. So shortly I would like to say he's performed in every part of our country, in every part of the globe. And he has a lot of awards and accolades to his credit. And currently he's concentrating a lot in composing music for dances. Welcome and thank you so much, sir, for being a part of us in this journey. To talk about our third judge, should I say her name first or what did you say? Oh, sorry, there are so many things, so I have to check again because I don't want to miss out anything. Okay, let me count. She's a singer, she's an actress, she's a dubbing artist, she's a retired marketing director in All India Radio and Doordarshan, and she's the daughter of the yesteryear's most popular playback singer Srimati Shanta P. Nair and the veteran writer novelist Sri Padmanabhan Nair. Welcome and thank you so much, Mrs. Lata Raju, for joining us. Music director, the late Sri M.B. Srinivasan, spotted her talent and she became a playback singer very soon. And her first song in the film Sneha Deepam was Vannantaram Balloon Taram. She went on to sing so many, and for all the renowned musicians and music directors, she has over 100 playback songs to her credit. She has also acted in films like Chemmeen and Elu Rathrigal. She's been a leading dubbing artist in the 80s, and I think she's given her voice to almost all the leading ladies of South Indian films when they act in Malayalam films. And she's travelled all over the globe for her concerts with her husband Sri J.M. Raju. She's been awarded the Kerala Sangeeta Nataka Academy Award for Light Music, and she's also the recipient of Kerala Critics Award. We thank every one of you for in some way or the other being a part of this successful journey and having made it a very memorable journey. Thank you so much, one and all.
Namaste. This is Ambli with you. Extremely blessed and privileged to be here in the presence of our Guruji and our esteemed judges, Barma sir, Bharti sir, Lata ma'am, and our Devi Akka. My humble pranams to all of you. Navratri has been a beautiful journey right from the start. And today we are all set for our grand finale with 10 selected talents who have come this far, proving their mettle in the quarterfinals and semifinals. So without losing any more time, let's start today's musical journey. And we'll start with Group 1. So we'll be starting today with our first contestant, Siddharth Pulleri. So request Siddharth to stay back, and rest everybody can go back to their waiting zone. Yes, Siddharth. So we'll be having all your 4 rounds, one after one, and you'll be right now going for your round 1, which is the song of your choice.
Namaste. Namaste to all. Go
गोवर्धन तुम बिन मोरी कौन खबर दे गोवर्धन गिरधारी तुम बिन मोरी कौन खबर ले गोवर्धन गिरधारी 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 तुम बिन मोरी कौन खबर ले गोवर्धन गिरधारी मोर मुकुट पीतांबर सोहे मोर मुकुट पीतांबर सोहे कुंडन की चमिनारी कुंडन की चमिनारी कुंडन की चमिनारी तुम बिन मोरी कौन खबर ले गोवर्धन गिरधारी 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 तुम बिन मोरी भरी सभा में द्रौपदी हारी भरी सभा में द्रौपदी हारी राखो राज हमारी मेरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर मेरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर चरण कमल बलिहारी चरण कमल बलिहारी चरण कमल बलिहारी तुम बिन मोरी कौन खबर ले गोवर्धन गिरधारी 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 तुम बिन मोरी
That was so beautiful, Siddharth. Now the second round, the judges round.
Hello, can you hear us? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Please sing Rama Mantra Vajapiso. Rama Mantra Vajapiso.
Rama Mantra Japiso Manuja, Rama Mantra Japiso Manuja, Rama Mantra Japiso Manuja, Rama Mantra Japiso Manuja, Rama Mantra Japiso. सकल वेदಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾರಮೇ ಇವ ಮಂತ್ರ सकल ವೇದಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾರಮೇ ಇವ ಮಂತ್ರ सकल ವೇದಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಾರಮೇ ಇವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೇ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ತೋರುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ತೋರುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಭಕ್ತಿ ರಸಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ತೋರುವ ಮಂತ್ರ ಸುಖ ನಿಧಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ ಸುಖ ನಿಧಿ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರ ಜಪಿಸೋ ಮನುಜ ರಾಮ ಮಂತ್ರ ಜಪಿಸೋ ಮಂತ್ರ ಜಪಿಸೋ ಮಂತ್ರ ಜಪಿಸೋ.
Thank you for this great opportunity given. I'm really blessed.
Siddharth, from the grand finale onwards, we have 2 surprise rounds for you. I'm sure, Guruji, you want to speak about the surprise rounds that we have introduced? We have 2 more rounds for you before you leave right now. Yes, Bharti, sir.
Yeah, this is the third round. And what we have all learned from Sir all over these years is how to bring in aesthetics in music wherever possible. So I want you to throw light on that, sir, and ask him something about that.
Can you say the lyrics? Rama Mantra Japiso.
Rama Mantra Japiso. He Manuja. Rama Mantra
Manuja. So, can you sing the Pallavi with more focus on the enunciation of the Sahitya lyric? Rama Mantra Japiso Manuja. Okay.
So I'll sing the tune and like.
Never heard what you have sung. I'm not judging on your song. I want you to see little more inside what you have sung. ಹಾಡಿದ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾಗಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾದ മലയാളം ഐ എം സോറി ഇത് പാടിയില്ലേ ആ പാട്ടിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് കുറച്ചുകൂടി വല്ലതും ഉണ്ടോ സുഖം സന്തോഷം ഭംഗി
राम मंत्र जपिसो मनुजा राम मंत्र जपिसो मनुजा राम मंत्र
അത് ഇപ്പോൾ പാടിയത് വ്യത്യാസം ഇപ്പം മുമ്പ് ആദ്യം പാടിയതിനൊക്കെ ഇതിന് വ്യത്യാസമല്ല. രാമമന്ത്രവ ജപിസോ മനോജ, രാമമന്ത്രവ ജപിസോ.
Can you sing that without the just keep the tambour at a low volume, don't use the rhythm. Keep the tambour at a low volume. We just want to listen to your voice. Only your voice, without any support. Just to know.
राम मंत्र जपिसो हे मनुजा, 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 राम मंत्र जपिसो हे मनुजा.
Can I go to the next round?
Yes, Bharti sir.
Siddharth, can you hear us? Siddharth?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, there is another surprise for you. Our Devi will sing a song for you, just 2 lines. Just listen to what she sings, grasp it, and just repeat it. Just listen to what she sings and sing back, right? Repeat. Is C sharp okay for you? C sharp?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay if she sings in C? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You try. Yeah, try.
जिनके पिया परदेस बसत हैं. Can you repeat? जिनके पिया परदेस बसत हैं.
जिनके पिया परदेस बसत है,
जिनके पिया परदेस बसत हैं.
पिया परदेस बसत है.
निकल कभे जना पाती, निकल कभे जना पाती.
जना
निकल कभे निकल कभे जना पाती.
कभे जना परी,
निकल कभे जना पाती.
वेदना ना परी.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Should I leave?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you.
Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you, JJ. It was lovely listening to you, Siddharth. So you can go back to your waiting room. Next is our contestant number 13, Lakshmi Priya. Lakshmi, you can hear us?
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We
Yes.
can hear you.
Can you sing any one song of your choice?
मारा रे गिरिधर को गिरिधर गोपाल बाया छाड्या बंदा छाड्या सदा गोया पादु संग बैठ साधु संग बैठ लोक लाज कोया मारा रे गिरिधर गोपाल भगत दे क्या राजिया भगत दे क्या रूया भगत दे क्या राजिया लगत दे क्या रूया दूत मत कृत पाडलया दार दया छूया दार दया छूया दार दया छूया मारा रे गिरिधर गोपाल दूसरा न कोया दूसरा न कोया साधा सकल लोक जया दूसरा न कोया मारा रे गिरिधर गोपाल राणा विषरो प्याला तेजा प्रिय मगन होया मीरा रे लगन लग्या कौन आज होया मारा रे गिरिधर गोपाल दूसरा न कोया दूसरा न कोया साधा सकल लोक जोया दूसरा न कोया मारा रे गिरिधर गोपाल Thank you.
Very nice. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, can you sing just the Pallavi and one charanam of Majhe Mahir Pandari?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, there's one about Mahi Bahin Chandrabhaga, no? One, yeah, that charanam and Pallavi first.
Vittala Vittala माझे माहेर पंढरी माझे माहेर पंढरी माझे माहेर पंढरी माझे माहेर पंढरी आहे बिवरेच्या दिली आहे बिवरेच्या दिली आहे बिवरेच्या दिली माझे माहेर माझे माहेर माझे माहेर पंढरी
Lakshmi, we are not able to hear you now. Your video has frozen. Are you able to hear me? Lakshmi, are you able to hear me? Looks like there is a network issue with her. Lakshmi, can you hear me? Looks like we have lost her. We're trying to connect to her to get her back in. Yeah, she is connected back. Lakshmi, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we lost the audio and video in between your singing. So
I want to sing once more.
Yes, yes, please, because you were not audible or visible. So same charanam, Mahi Bahina Chandra. Pallavi, we heard you. Only the charanam, just the charanam.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And if you can beat out the rhythm with your hand or something, just give the rhythmic pulse. It will be nice if you can.
माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा, माझी बहीण चंद्रभागा, करीत असे पाप भंगा, करीत असे पाप भंगा. माझे माहेर पंढरी, माझे माहेर पंढरी, माझे माहेर पंढरी. आहे बीवरेच्या दिवी, आहे बीवरेच्या दिवी, आहे बीवरेच्या दिवी.
Very, very nice. How old are you now?
I am 13. Sir.
13. Very good. So if you sing so nicely when you are 13, by the time you are 31, you will be so much better. Very, very nice. Very sweet.
So Lakshmi, you finished 2 rounds. You have 2 more special rounds waiting for you. It being the grand finale, we'll hear from judges what you'll have to do next. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Just wait
So I
there.
want to leave now.
No. You need to wait. Judges will be giving you 2 more rounds, surprise rounds it would be. So they'll ask you specifically what to do. You need to wait for judges to tell you.
Yes, so again, just Pallavi and one charanam of Brahma Mukate. And just take care of the talam. You are running a little bit, talam. The melody part is very nice, but talam is little, you will be fined for overspeeding. Then just Pallavi of Brahma Mukate, just Pallavi. Brahma Mukate.
ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे तंदनाना ही तंदनाना पुरे तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे पर ब्रह्म मुकटे तंदनाना ही तंदनाना पुरे तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना बड़ा तंदनाना बड़ा तंदना.
Hello, can you sing the Pallavi with a little more attention to the lyric, a little beautify? Can you, Brahma Mukate, can you beautify the lyric?
Okay, sir. బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే పర బ్రహ్మమొకటే.
1 second, you hear this?
ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे
Para, no, para.
ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम ओकटे ब्रह्मम ओकटे पर ब्रह्मम.
ఓకే. బ్రహ్మం ఒకటే పర బ్రహ్మం ఒకటే పర బ్రహ్మం ఒకటే పర బ్రహ్మం ఒకటే. Should I sing once more time, sir?
Enough, Kana. Now you will go to the fourth round. Okay, wherein I'll be singing a song, just 2 lines. Just listen to it carefully. Okay, you don't have to be scared. You just have to listen to it carefully. Yes, and then try to grasp the nuances and the words and just try to repeat it. So the judges are going to see how efficiently you are able to learn a song. That's the round. Okay, ready?
Yes.
What is your Shruti? What's your comfortable Shruti?
G.
G. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
केली नाही तुझी पूजा
Ma'am, can you sing one more time?
केली नाही
केली नाही
केली नाही
केली नाही
केली नाही तुझी
केली नाही तुझी
पूजा. 1 2 3 4 and 1. केली नाही तुझी पूजा
केली ना तुझी
केली नाही केली नाही तुझी पूजा
केली ना तुझी पूजा. Not clear with the lyrics.
Thank you, Kana.
Thank you, Lakshmi. So you completed your 4 rounds, and now it's time for you to move back to the waiting room. It was wonderful listening to you sing. So now you can sit back, and we'll call you when it's time. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
So we'll move on to our third participant, that is Samyukta from Chennai.
1 minute. Ambali,
Yeah, Akka.
Ambali, just tell, as soon as they log in, just tell them that before they start their song, just listen to what the judges have to say and then listen to it and then
Okay.
go on with all the participants. Okay, just make sure that you tell that.
Sure.
chat and give a chat on the waiting room too.
Okay. Hi, Samyukta. Are you able to hear me loud and clear?
Yeah, I'm able to.
Okay. So, right now, you'll be going for your first round, which will be the song of your choice. And then, as usual, we have the judge's choice. And two more special rounds are waiting for you once you finish these two. Okay, we'll tell you when it's time. So, we'll start with round one.
Hello, Samyukta.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm really good.
Okay.
How are you?
Thank you. How can now you can start with your choice.
I'll be singing
When you sing
one.
your choice.
Yeah.
What are you going to sing?
I'll be starting with Vandanamu in Sahana.
Okay, what is your Shruti?
A.
Start, ma. You can.
Yeah. Vandanamu Raghunandana Vandanamu Raghunandana Setubandana Bhakta Chandana Vandanamu Raghunandana Setubandana Bhakta Chandana Rama Vandanamu Raghunandana Setubandana Bhakta Chandana Rama Vandanamu Raghunandana Shri Zamana Togajaman Shri Zamana Togajaman Nibedamaiti Mogaman Shri Zamana Togajaman Prabhunandana Setubandana Bhakta Chandana Rama Vandanamu Raghunandana Vegada Karuna Sagara Vegara Karuna Sagara Shri Tyagaraja Jayakara Vegara Karuna Sagara Shri Tyagaraja Gaya Raghunandana Setu Bandana Bhakta Chandana Rama Vandana Raghunandana
Sri Rama will be your choice. Sri Rama, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Pallavi and Mancharana.
Okay. Can I start?
Oh, yes, you can start.
Shri Ram जय राम श्री राम जय राम श्री राम जय राम शृंगार रामायणी चिंतनपराजे मनसा श्रीराम जय राम शृंगार रामायणी चिंतनपराजे मनसा त्यागराजाप्तयनी उगदनारद मुनि त्यागराजाप्तयनी उगदनारद मुनि तपमे निज समो श्रीराम जय राम शृंगार रामायणी चिंतनपराजे मनसा श्रीराम जय राम शृंगार रामायणी चिंतनपराजे मनसा
ஓகே, இதுவே வந்துமா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் லிரிக்கல் கிளாரிட்டியோட இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அழகா பாட முடியுமா பல்லவி வரைக்கும்?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Could you please repeat it?
என்னம்மா? இது சேம் ஸ்ரீராமா வந்து பல்லவி மட்டும் நல்ல சாகித்யம் தெளிவா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அழகா பாட முடியுமான்னு?
श्रीराम जय राम श्रीराम जय राम श्रीराम जय राम शृंगार रामायणी श्रीराम जय राम शृंगार रामायणी चिंतनपराजे मनसा श्रीराम
Okay, thank you. They are over to Devi. You will take over now.
Hi Samyukta, what's your Shruti? What's your
My Shruti, ma'am. A Shruti.
Okay, Samyukta, now I'll be singing 1 or 2 lines. Listen to it carefully and try to repeat what I have sung. Okay? Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so depending on how you are able to sing, repeat, learn the song, the judges will give you marks. Okay? So if you're not able to hear me, do let me know. I'll be singing once or twice. Listen to it and then try to sing it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, could you please repeat? Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please sing?
बीच बीच
Beach, beach,
beach, beach,
beach, beach,
मधुर गान.
madhura gaana.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, Samyukta. So that was your 4 rounds. And you sung beautifully. Please go back with a big smile on your face. I can see you're nervous. So now you can go back to your waiting room, and we
Yeah.
will meet you when you have to join back. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am. Thank you.
So with that, we have completed 3 participants, and now we have a little Sai Narayan here waiting. So hi Sai. So lovely to see you smile.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram,
So,
Pa. Namaskaram.
yes, sir. You're able to hear me, Sai?
Yes.
Can you come a little more closer to the mic so that you don't have to lean forward?
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, you're
Yeah.
loud and clear.
Yeah, we can
Yes,
hear.
Swati, sir.
Hello, Kanna. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Uh, what song are you going to sing? What would be your choice?
My choice would be Pibare Ramarasam.
Okay. Just sing a Pallavi and one stanza, one charanam.
Okay.
Pallavi and one charanam. Okay.
I'm going to sing Pibare Ramarasam, which is set to Ragam Yamuna Kalyani and Adi Talam and composed by Sri Sadashiva Brahmendra. Raghavam Dasharathatmajamaprabeyam Sitapatim Raghukulanvayaratnadipam Ajanubham Aravindadalayataksham Ramam Nishachara Vinashakaram Namami. Pibare Ramarasam Pibare Ramarasam Rasane 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 Pibare Ramarasam 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 Janana Marana Vayam Shokaviduram Janana Marana Vayam Shokaviduram Janana Marana Vayam Shokaviduram Janana Marana Vayam Shokaviduram Shakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram Sakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram Sakala Shastra Nigamagamasaram Pibare Ramarasam Rasane Pibare Ramarasam Rasane Pibare Ramarasam 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 ஸ்ரீ குரு
என்ன தவம் செய்தனை இருக்குல்ல, என்ன தவம் செய்தனை ஒன்லி சரணம். சரணம் மட்டும். என்ன தவம் செய்தனை சரணம் மாத்திரம் பாடு.
எனி ஒன் சரணமா?
ஆமா, ஒன்லி ஒன் சரணம்.
No, can I straight away start with charanam or can I sing the pallavi?
Straight away charanam.
Okay. Ragam Kapi Adi Talam and composed by Sri Papanasam Shivan. Brahmanum Indranum மனதில் பொறாமை கொண்ட பிரம்மனும் இந்திரனும் மனதில் பொறாமை கொண்ட பிரம்மனும் இந்திரனும் மனதில் பொறாமை கொண்ட பிரம்மனும் இந்திரனும் மனதில் பொறாமை கொண்ட உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்போதி கண்ணனை உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்போதி கண்ணனை உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்போதி கெஞ்சவை தாய் கண்ணனை உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்போதி கெஞ்சவை தாய் தாயே என்ன தவம் செய்த நீ யசோதா எங்கும் நிறை பரபிரம்மம்மா என்றழைக்க என்ன தவம் செய்த நீ யசோதா.
தமிழ் தெரியுமா? தமிழாணி?
ஆமா.
ஓகே. அது என்ன என்ன அந்த வரி என்ன உரலில் கட்டி என்னது சொல்லு. உரலில் கட்டி இதை சொன்னியே.
தாமோதர லீலையில வருது.
இல்ல வார்த்தை இந்த லைனை சொல்லி.
உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்போத்தி.
வாய்ப்பொத்தியா வாய்ப்பொத்தியா வாய்ப்பொத்தி வாய்ப்பொத்தின்னு கேக்குறது. வாய்ப்பொத்தி அப்படி பாட முடியும். வாய்ப்பொத்தியும் பாடிட்டு கெஞ்ச வைத்தானா தெரியுமா? கெஞ்ச வைத்தாய்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? அப்படி கெஞ்ச மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் பாடி காட்டேன். அது வாய்ப்பொத்தி கெஞ்ச வைத்தாய், அதுதான் சார் கேக்குறார். புரியுறதா?
உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்பொத்தி
பொத்தி
உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்பொத்தி கண்ணனை உரலில் கட்டி வாய்ப்பொத்தி கெஞ்சவை தாய் தாயே என்ன தவம்.
சரி சரி, வெரி குட் வெரி குட் வெரி குட். இப்போ வந்து அந்த இப்போ தேவி அக்கா வந்து ஒரு பாட்டு பாடுவா. ஓ டு தேவி.
Hi Sai.
Hello ma'am.
Hi. What's your comfortable Shruti? What Shruti are you comfortable in?
I am comfortable with A.
A, okay. Okay. So I'm going to sing one or two lines and you have to repeat. Okay. Easy, no? Okay. So depending on how you sing, the judges will give you marks for this round.
Okay.
Okay, so listen to it carefully. Yeah? Pibare Ramarasam.
Pibare Ramarasam.
Pibare Ramarasam.
Ramarasam.
Rasane
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 Pibare
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 Rama
Rama
rasam.
Rasam.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Sai. It was lovely watching you sing, and I really loved the smile that you carried throughout. Very good. So now you can go back to the waiting room, and we'll intimate you when you have to come back. Okay? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so now we'll move on to our last contestant for group 1, that is Mahati Srikanth. Mahati, you are there? Can you
Yes,
hear me,
ma'am.
Mahati?
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to, wait for judges' intimation. So they'll be guiding you in each of the rounds. So today you are going to have 4 rounds. Okay. So,
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then one song of your choice. Can you sing one charanam followed by Pallavi? Just you can start with the charanam, whichever charanam you like, whichever song you like. So just sing the charanam and Pallavi. And if there are multiple sangatis, you don't have to repeat. You can just sing once and go.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, actually for the song it's a Devar Nama which has Uga Bhoga.
Uga Bhoga
So
also.
can I sing that and sing the Charana and the Pallavi?
Yes, perfect. You sing the Uga Bhoga. Yeah.
Yes, thank you. व्यासाय भवनाशाय व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः मध्वाय च नमो नमः ಸುಮತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕ ಕುಮತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೀ ಛೇದಿಸಿದೆ ಸುಮತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೀ ಬೋಧಿಸಿದೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕ ಕುಮತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಛೇದಿಸಿದೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಯಿಂದ ರಾಜ್ಯವಾಯಿಸಿದೆ ಜಗತ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಚರ್ಯವನಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿಯಿಂದ ರಾಜ್ಯವಾಯಿಸಿದೆ ಜಗತ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಚರ್ಯವನಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ವಿಮಲ ರೂಪನೇ विमल रूपणे कमलनाभने विमल रूपणे कमलनाभने रम्या रसने रम्य चरितने ममತೆಯಲಿ ಕೊಡು ಕಾಮಿತಾರ್ಥವ ನಮಿಸುವೆನೋ ಹಯವದನ ಮೂರುತಿ ಮಧ್ವಾಂತರ್ಗತ ವಿಮಲ ರೂಪನೆ ಕಮಲನಾಭನೆ रमेय रसने रम्य चरितने ममतेयली कोडो कामितार्थव नमिसुवेनो हयवदन मूरुति मध्वान्तर्गत वेदव्यास कायो शुद्ध मूरुतिये सर्वेशा मध्वान्तर्गत
Very nice. Thank you. Can you sing just one charanam of Payoji Mene?
Yeah. पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो। मीरा के प्रभु मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, हरख हरख जस गायो, पायो जी मैंने हरख हरख जस गायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, धन पायो, धन पायो।
Very, very nice. Now you have two surprise rounds which were not there earlier. So, first one is the same thing what you sang, because we can take things in a hurry, then it will be like just you do something. My Guruji, Dr. Balamurali Krishna, when he was not interested in singing, he used to say, you do something and go away. No? So it shouldn't sound like doing something and going away, but little more involvement. That you know what it means. Payoji Mene Rama Ratana Dhana. You know what it means?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just think of that feeling. Hey, I got Rama Ratana. So with that little slower, and you should enjoy yourself and try and imagine how the composer would have felt the feeling at that time, and try and express that. Yeah. So can you just try?
So should I sing it?
Yes.
Okay.
Just Pallavi.
Okay.
Just Pallavi, enjoy yourself. You forget that all of us are listening. You feel you forget that all of us are listening. You imagine you are sitting at home alone and nobody is listening, and then just enjoy yours for your own pleasure. You sing. First, you have to enjoy. Then that self enjoyment will get transmitted to the others also.
Okay, so I have to imagine how the composer wrote the song.
Yeah, and
Why?
and the meaning Payoji Mene Ram. I got Rama Ratana Dhana. No, so with that joy. Yeah.
So should I tell also in the middle or just sing?
You just sing.
Okay.
Little bit. Just.
पायोजी मैंने पायोजी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायोजी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायोजी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायोजी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो।
Very nice. Now you have one surprise round. Yeah, somebody else will take over.
Okay.
Hi Mahati.
Hi ma'am.
Hi.
Namaste.
Namaste. Kana, what's your comfortable Shruti? G sharp?
Yeah, Jisha.
Okay. So this round is going to be like this. I'll sing a line or 2 lines max. Okay. Listen to it carefully and repeat. Okay. So judges are going to find out how good you are in learning a song. Done? Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a Purandaradasa composition. Okay. Anduge yaralele.
Anduge yaraleli.
Anduge yaralele.
Anduge yaraleli.
Tulli bapuri.
I was not able to hear you.
Tulli bapuri.
Tulli bapuri.
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 Anduge yaralele. Tulli bapuri.
Anduge yaralele.
Bintulli bapuri.
Bittuli bapuri.
ಚಂದದಿ ನಲಿವುದ ಹರಿ ಕುಣಿದ ಚಂದದಿ ನಲಿವುದ ಹರಿ ಕುಣಿದ ಹರಿ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಚಂದದಿ ನಲಿವುದ
ಚಂದದಿ ನಲಿವುದ
ಹರಿ ಕುಣಿದ
ಹರಿ ಕುಣಿದ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you, ma'am.
Did you enjoy your singing? The grand
Yes,
finale?
ma'am.
Lovely. So now it's time to go back to the waiting room. We'll intimate you when it's time to come back. Yeah. Thank you.
Second set.